Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to use a graph of the function f of x is equal to the square root of 3 plus x minus the square root of 3 over x to estimate the value of the limit as x approaches 0 of the function to 2 decimal places. So we have a graph of the function here. And what we have to do is just zoom in on where x equals 0, and they want it to 2 decimal places. So the easiest way to get something to 2 decimal places when you're looking at a graph is to just go much further than is necessary. So if we zoom in all the way here, we can see that it's approximately 0.28868. So if that's to 2 decimal places, then that's 0.29. So therefore, we say the limit as x approaches 0 of f of x is equal to 0.29. And of course, that's just an approximation, but that's okay. In B, we are asked to use a table of values of f of x to estimate the limit to 4 decimal places. And so we just have to plug in values of x into f of x that are close to 0. So let's try negative 0.1, negative 0.01, negative 0.001. When we do that, we get values 0.291122, 0.288916, 0.288699. And of course, we have to go from the right as well. So plugging in those values, 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, we get values of 0.286309, 0.288435, 0.288651. And so we're estimating this to 4 decimal places. And we can see it's between 0.288699 and 0.288651, because these are the closest values to 0. Therefore, it's equal to 0.288. Then the last decimal is a 6, but we're going to have to round up, right? Because it's going to be 0.67 or something like that. So it's rounded up to a 7. And finally, we're asked to use limit laws to find the exact value of this limit. So you have the limit as x approaches 0 of the square root of 3 plus x minus the square root of 3 over x. And we can't just plug in 0 directly. So if we rationalize the numerator by multiplying the square root of 3 plus x minus the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 plus x plus the square root of 3, and then of course you have to multiply the denominator by the same value, you get here the square root of 3 plus x times itself is just 3 plus x, plus the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 plus x minus the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 plus x, cancel each other out, and then just the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 becomes minus 3, and then we leave the denominator as is, because there's no useful simplifications there. 3 minus 3 is 0, so this is just x over x times the square root of 3 plus x over plus the square root of 3. So since this is the only term on top, we can cancel it out with the x in the bottom, and we're just left with 1 over the square root of 3 plus x plus the square root of 3. And this is still the limit as x approaches 0. And now we can plug in 0 to get 1 over the square root of 3 plus 0 plus 3. Plus the square root of 3. 1 over the square root of 3 plus the square root of 3 is 1 over 2 times the square root of 3. And this is our value, which would come out to somewhere around 0.2887.